What do you do when you buy 5 baby chicks off Craigslist and realize that when they get grown, 4 of them are roosters? You get rid of them. Welcome to American Roots. Good morning, ladies and gent. So we built the coop, we got the run going, but having 3 roosters, we just can't. So they gotta go. So I'm here. This is my last 5 minutes with my chickens. I guess my dudes and my chick. I found out this morning that Big Red here is crowing. So it's time. They have to go. We're in the process of moving. I guess everything happens for a reason. It's what B told me anyway. Time to focus on other things. It's 110 today, so they're hot. Drinking their water. Eating their salad bar, getting ready to go. So Joe is calling Pratt's to find out. They're like a local feed store to see if they'll take them. We're trying to find a place to take them to. So we ended up having no luck at the feed stores. Everybody was full. And I think it probably had a lot to do with the fact that it's getting warm and people are realizing we can't take care of our roosters. We can't have them. In the city of Glendale, it's illegal to have a rooster. So for us to have 4 was just not going to happen. We might be able to try to keep 1 as long as possible before we start getting harassed by the city or fined, but it was time for them to go. When we realized we had 4, it was just so overwhelming. So we were able to rehome 1 with our friend, and then the other 4 we took to the vet. We called the vet, and the lady who runs the vet office had a farm, and she told us that she would take them. So my parents delivered them, and now we have no chickens, and we are preparing to move. We are getting ready to load up our U-Haul and get it put into our storage container. So on to new things. Until next time, we pray you're blessed. We'll see you soon.